Yo, what's up, everybody? What's good? What's good? Um, let's see. I'm gonna give it just a couple minutes here. Chris, what's up? Snack. See here. What did I trade today? I traded Netflix and Spy. They're both pretty nice. How about you? Did you trade anything? Z Boogie. What's going on? All right, all right. Um, all right, we got a few people in here. How was your guys' day? Green, red, got Spy 2 and Tesla off the open. Yeah, I missed that one. That one looked pretty crazy. All right, yeah, all right. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I so far have not looked at anything. We could have a lot of Vinny, what's up? We could have a lot of good setups. We could have absolutely nothing. So we are about to take a look. I'll just go ahead and start up here from the top of the watch list. Apple. Um, yeah, I really don't like anything on Apple until we get back to like 167. Uh, Chris Green Day. Wish Tesla went better. Barely. Dang, the contracts just not move or something, or did you just get bad fills or what? Um, yeah, I really don't like anything on Apple until about 167. Let's see here. Airbnb, I doubt we have anything on that, but I always like to look just in case. We do kind of have a flat bottom at like 111.50. Um, let's see. I don't even know if these contracts have volume. Yeah, no. That's gonna be a no for me on that. Um, Jeremias, what's good? Go ahead and go out here. AMD. I want to say there was something we were looking at on AMD today. I think it was this flat bottom at 92.90 ish, but nothing on there for me. I mean, we did break that. We closed below on the 4 hour. I mean, we're forming a little bit of an H pattern here. I didn't move too much. I sold a third of my position on a tiny pullback, so pretty much broke even. That's all right though. I mean, you've been killing it, so keep it up. Let's see here. I mean, yeah, we definitely are forming an H like below that level, but I don't necessarily know that that's something I'm interested in. I will go ahead and mark it just in case. Go ahead and unmark these up here. Um, can you guys hear me all right and everything too? I haven't checked that at all. Um, but yeah, I mean, we're forming a little bit of an H here on the 1 hour and 30 minute. Not the worst looking thing, but I have a feeling we're gonna see some better, more quality setups than this. So yeah, I mean, I'll go ahead and keep this as a little side watch here. Um, Low on that's 91.36. Let's go ahead and look at Amazon. I'm pretty sure the only thing on Amazon I was interested in today was the high, but we decided that we were gonna go skydiving instead. um, this actually had a pretty crazy drop off the open. We do have a 4 hour uptrend here that we're like right at. I don't know that there's anything for us to play there though. Oh, actually, that doesn't look half bad right here. That would just be something like we would need to stay pre-market at these levels though for me to be interested in that. It's kind of just a bear flag here, but doesn't doesn't look awful. That would be something that I'm just looking at as like a quick scalp though. I mean, look at that dump off the open though. That was crazy. Okay, you can hear me good. That's cool. I'll go ahead and mark this down too, just in case. Low $100.75. Yeah, I mean that doesn't look bad. I'll definitely keep that as a side watch as well. The way I kind of like to do this is go through, find my setups. So this 4 hour uptrend lines up just a little bit above this level. So that's cool that the level that we're looking at is already below the uptrend. Because that uptrend lines up at $100.81. $100.75 is that low. So yeah, that's not bad. The way I kind of like to do this is go through and find my setups. If there's something I like, I'll mark my rows, and then once we get towards the end of that, that's when I'll come back and actually write out the trade ideas. So yeah, that's just kind of the portion we're in right now. Where would my target be on Amazon? That was kind of what I was struggling a little bit with this trade, or not struggling with, but just the thing that I don't really love about this trade. I'd probably just keep it as a scalp and keep my target based on momentum, to be completely honest with you. I would say 100 would be cool, but I can't guarantee that we're going to get that on a push that I would still want to be in, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want to, because tomorrow is basically like a Friday. For you guys that didn't know, market's going to be closed on Friday, so tomorrow is basically like our Friday. So I'm not really trying to put myself in a position where I'm going to have to hold anything for a long time. So I'd probably keep my target based off momentum on that. Go ahead and check BA here. Yeah, that not interested on BA until we get to this high at 221. So I'm gonna go ahead and unmark that. Baba, kinda have a little flat bottom forming here. I was looking at it today actually, but I just don't love trading Baba unless it's like a super crazy setup. It doesn't look bad. 97.26 level. Doesn't look bad on the 1 hour at all. Um, I don't like this trend though. That trend's probably gonna do it for me there, because we only have 40 cents room. So yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Gonna go ahead and unmark that. Up Baidu real quick. Nothing. Perfect. I know Frankie was looking at coin that broke today. Dang. I think that broke today while we were still on mic, while we were in that SPY trade. So yeah, that's out for me for sure. Costco, nothing. Disney, nothing that I'm interested in. Yeah, definitely nothing that I'm interested in. I have all these stocks in my watch list that I used to watch like pretty pretty religiously, and like they're also cheap now, dude. FedEx, nothing. Google, nothing for tomorrow at least. Meta, let's see here. I mean, it's kind of a recently exhausted level, but 210 could be something here. I liked this to the upside better, but I don't mind that actually. Let's see here. Yeah, I might go ahead and put that down. Because once again, we're at this 4 hour uptrend channel. We broke below. It looks like we are holding below as of right now. That trend lines up at 211.33, and the level we're looking at is 210, so we're already clear of that trend. Yeah, I don't mind this little H here on 210. I'll probably keep my target as that trend on the, let's see, what was it on, 15? Yeah, probably go ahead and I'll put my price level at the real like low, 209.94, but I'll have my alert at like 210.20. Bid at or below 210.20. Yeah, I don't mind that. I'd probably be looking to play the, oh, meta's already marked. Perfect. Be looking to play the 210 break into this low, and depending on momentum, I mean, I'd just be using this trend as the target. Like I said, if we get the momentum, if we need to show weakness compared to the market for that, but even here, 209.60, yeah, that's not bad, because especially on a Friday, meta contracts will pay. Z Boogie, what are the pink arrows for? This is the stock hours algo. It basically just shows you the change in trends. They're not buy or sell signals. They're not meant to be used as buy or sell signals, but yeah, so everywhere the trend changes to the downside, it'll have a pink arrow here. To the upside, it'll have a green arrow down here. Um, but yeah, I actually like that. Um, so far, that's gonna be my favorite one out of everything we've seen so far. So I'll definitely make sure to keep meta. Oh, I got an unmarked coin. That is out for sure. All right. Moderna, I doubt we have anything worth playing. Correct. All right. Microsoft. I actually liked this high over here at 283.33, but I missed that trade. So, yeah. That's going to be unmarked. Nothing on there. I guess we could take a look at MU, but like I said, the likelihood of having, yeah, no. I was correct in skipping it the first time. All right. Netflix. See, so this is what I played today. Actually, I played the 340 break on Netflix to the downside. Um, you can see we had this like my entry level was actually 340 and 40 cents. And I played it through the 340 break. I sold on the 339.50 break. Um, it was actually a pretty clean play. I wish I would have went in with my, actual position size on that, but since we had been destroying it to the upside for like 2 weeks straight now, I felt kind of weird. Felt kind of weird playing it to the downside. But yeah, that's what I played today. I don't know that there's anything else I'm interested in on Netflix until we get back up to 350 though. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of those levels. Go ahead and get rid of that level. Yeah, I'm not interested on Netflix until we get back up to 350. I will just keep it marked here though, just in case we have like a crazy push. I'll put an alert here up at like 348, or I'll put it at 347.80, just so I know when we get close. All right, yeah. Go on to Nvidia. Nothing I'm really crazy about on Nvidia. Yeah, I mean, compared to what we've looked at so far, I'm just not really interested on anything here. The play that I was interested in on the video was this like 273 level right here, but it broke after hours, so it is what it is. Right. All of these usually have nothing. They still have nothing, so the trend continues. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm out on that. I don't think I've seen or heard of Snow pushing or like doing anything crazy for such a long time until the other day. We had a pretty crazy push on this the other day, but the contract volume on this stock is so garbage 99% of the time that like you can't even play anything, so there's no setups anyways, so that's fine. And we'll get down here to everybody's most loved stock, Tesla. Dang, we covered some ground today. Holy cow. I haven't looked at this since earlier when I was still trading. Dang, I mean if Tesla continues this weakness, then I mean we could always look at today's low unless we have another setup, but if there's anything that if there's anything that I'm willing to play just random or not random, but like low of days or previous low of days on, if there's anything that I'm willing to play that, it's going to be on Tesla. So yeah, I mean, I'll keep that in mind. Probably not going to write an idea out for it right now just because I don't know what we're going to do after hours or pre-market, but yeah, I'll keep that low in mind. We've just been really weak on this stock for the past few days. Like, look at that. We, yeah, I don't know what it's doing. They're trying to turn this into a penny stock. But yeah, I mean, I'll keep an eye on that low. Actually, whoa, hold on. Low 183.5. Oh, never mind. Looked like we had a little gap there. I mean, we do kind of have a gap here. It's nothing crazy, but I guess I'll mark that down. 183.85. Below on that. Geez, I need to clear up some of these levels, but yeah, I mean, I guess that lines up with the low from today pretty well. We wicked below twice, actually. Yeah, I'd be interested on that. All right. So it looks like we've got, let's see, we've got AMD, we've got Amazon, we've got Meta, and we've got Tesla. They're all, I mean, I will say they're all relatively the same setup. If I had to pick my two favorites on this, I'd probably say Tesla and Meta. But yeah, so I'll just go ahead and write down some of the ideas here. Detach. Go. Tesla. Meta. Anything I like on Spire, QQQ? Not really, to be honest. I don't really chart Spire, QQQ. The only thing I really use those for mainly is just seeing, you know, what we're doing with the overall market. But I honestly, I usually don't chart out levels on Spire, QQQ, because a lot of the trades we do on that, Maki kind of carries the whole time. I mean, so yeah, I usually don't chart out SPY or QQQ. We do have an uptrend on the 1 hour on SPY or ES that we bounced off of today. Let's see if we have the same thing on NQ. No, we don't. Okay. Yeah, but I usually don't chart those out like looking for plays. The when I'm looking at those on the chart, I'm mainly just looking to see like basically comparing strength and weakness versus our other stocks. So Yeah. Alright, I'll go ahead and write here Tesla 183.85. Come on. 183.85 has a small gap. We bounced twice today. All of these plays, I think my target's pretty much going to be based off of momentum because, I mean, we really don't have any like clear levels here to target just due to the fact that, you know, we've pushed this much. Now we're just in the process of coming back down, so we're not making any new highs, we're not making any new lows like overall on the larger time frame, so it's just kind of hard to judge targets on this. So a lot of these targets are based off of momentum. On meta here though, the reason why I like this one better than like AMD or Amazon, for example, is because I have a clear, you know, I have a clear target on this. My clear target on this is going to be this trend. So whenever we have trends, my clear target on this is going to be this trend. So whenever we have trends that I can target, it makes me like the trade a lot better. So looking and also, by the way, for whoever's in here that's in stock hours, Mason's lesson is still going on in 30 minutes. So I just figured I'd let you know that that he's still doing that. But yeah, meta will be looking at 210 into the 209.94 low. Let's see here. May struggle a little bit around this 209.18 level. Well, let's see how that looks. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's fine. Alright, that pretty much lines up with the trend, so we're cool there. 209.94 low break, room to 208, and 208.81 on. Oh wait, sorry, that's my bad. Room to 209 and 208.81 on the 15-minute down trend. So yeah, obviously these plans get revised pre-market as well, to be updated to the new, you know, wherever we made lows at or wherever trends line up, stuff like that. So the reason I put on the 15-minute downtrend here is just so I know, just quickly by looking at my trade plan, I know what charts I need to have pulled up to be focused on. On my G63 today, super proud of myself, and yes, the money was from stock market. That's awesome, dude. Congrats. All right, we'll go back. We'll go ahead and go back to AMD here too. Write this down. AMD. Looking at the 91.36 36 low. Let's see. Go back on the 30-minute. 15. How long have I been trading for? Trading like daily for about a little over 2 years. In general, though, like from when I very first started learning to now, it's been about 7.5 years. Um, I really started learning in like 8th grade, just studying on my own, outside of school every night, just watching as much YouTube videos as I possibly could and trying to just learn everything. Um, so yeah, 2 years roughly, maybe a little bit over 2 years, trading every single day, and then studying and trading during the summers for about 7 years now. Alright, so AMD looking at the 9136 low, first target. Here, actually, I'm just room to 91. We've got this 15-minute trend. Do we have anything on the 5? Not valid. Alright. Yeah, room to 91 and then 90.42. I'm just going to keep it simple, and update everything pre-market. Yeah, man, 8th grade. Got started early. Am I gonna save the stream? If you want me to be completely honest with you, I have no idea how to do that. This is the first time I've ever streamed anything. So if I can figure out how to, yes. Same here. Started in 8th grade. 21 now. Nice. I'm 20 now, so pretty close. And Amazon, let's see. Did I already write out my Amazon idea? No, I did not. Alright. Go ahead. Yeah, I mean, I don't have like an exact target on this. Let's just be optimistic here. I'll put a level at 100. Realistically, I don't know that we're gonna get that. I mean, we could. It's just a bit of a stretch, like I said, to get it in as quick of a time frame as I would want it. I'll say room to 100, 50 cents, 100, and then what was that? 15-minute trend or 30-minute trend? It was a 15. Yeah, 15 lines up at 99.94 right now. Then 15-minute trend 99.94. All right. There we go. That is so far everything that I have for tomorrow. We've had a pretty crazy week so far, so yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna go through some of the chat real quick. Might have missed the answer. A little late. Just started recently. 3 to 4 months so far. No, dude, you're not late at all. You're only 19, man. You are not late at all. Uh, just because we were just because we were extremely early, that doesn't make you late whatsoever. You got a ton of time. Um, that's awesome that you're 3 to 4 months in though, and doing what you can to learn. That's sick. Um, been watching tons and tons of videos and trying to learn as much as I can. The Boogie said the same. Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. I would definitely recommend um, watching the live trades on my channel, Stock Hours channel. I know Z Boogie's in Stock Hours. I know Christian's in Stock Hours. I don't know who else in here is in Stock Hours. But yeah, I would definitely recommend watching the Stock Hours channel, my channel, Frankie's channel, Nor's channel, watching the live trades. That just helps you break down a lot more into like, reading level 2, reading price action, stuff like that. So you can get that screen time without even having to be there all day during the market. So it's definitely, that was one of the things that actually really helped me a lot too, was watching live trades so I can see how other people executed and how other people handled certain situations. So yeah, Anna Calling book is what I'm reading right now too. Volume price analysis really kind of helped me learn volume better. That's cool. Yeah, no problem, Chris. Yo, what do you want to be called? Do you want to be called Chris or Schnack? I'm still confused on where Schnack came from. Because when I see your name, I immediately just want to call you Schnack. Yeah, of course, watch them all. That's awesome. Yeah, 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 his channel too. I forgot about that. Sorry, I didn't mean to leave you out, buddy. Uh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and not promote other chats in here. Um, hey, he watches you too. That's cool. That's cool. All right, I appreciate you guys for coming out. Yeah, we've killed it so far this week. Let's make sure we end this week with responsible responsible trading. So yeah, hope you guys have a good rest of your night. Um, don't forget Mason's lesson is in 20 minutes. About to join stock hours. You're in stock hours too. About to join stock hours though. Community seems fire. Trying to get around more like-minded individuals. Yeah, yeah, 100%. The community is the best out there. Um, I've not been anywhere that I've seen a community like this, and it's really cool, actually, to be a part of. Um, used to trade together. His name is Nick. Um, okay, all right, got you. All right, I appreciate it. Thanks everybody for coming out. Like I said, have a good rest of your night.